Soups are one of the most important parts of the Tibetan cuisine. When you order momos at an authentic Tibetan restaurant, it would come with a bowl of soup. In the case of Mokthuk, you have momo being served in a bowl of spicy soup. This delicious dish is a must-have for all momo lovers. Instead of sipping the soup separately, enjoy this authentic Tibetan dish and feed your soul. Isn't it look so tempting? I can't resist myself to dig in. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna. Welcome to Simple Food. Before I start today's video, please go and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. First, I'll make the momos. Take spoonful of stuffing on the middle of the momo sheet. These are small momos. These momos are little smaller than the regular size momos. This stuffing is made with chicken. Now patch the both ends together and give a half moon like shape. Now twist from the middle and patch the ends together. Press them well, otherwise they can open up while cooking. Look, they're looking so cute. If you want to learn how to make momo stuffing, then you can definitely watch my other momo recipes. I'll give the link in the description box of this videos. Now I'm making the another one. Follow the steps of shaping the momos well. It's very easy. If you want to shape the momos differently, then watch my other momo recipes. Now take 1 spoonful of stuffing and make the momos. I make the dough with all-purpose flour, just a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon oil and water. Make the dough medium soft. Patch the both ends together and it's ready. Now in a pan, take chicken stocks. If you don't have chicken stock, you can definitely use normal water to boil the momos. After the stock is little warm, add previously made momos. I make the chicken stock with chicken bones, carrot, beans, onions, few cloves of garlic, bay leaves, cloves, cardamoms. Add all these ingredients into the water and boil for 1 hour on simmer. After boiling, just strain everything and use the stock. You can see it starts to bubbling. Cover the pan and cook the momos for 10 minutes in the chicken stock. Meanwhile, I am making the sauce for the momo soup. In a bowl, take 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame seeds, salt to taste, half teaspoon chopped garlic, chopped green chilies as per your taste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of butter and half teaspoon of red chilli paste. Now mix all the ingredients nicely. If you love spicy food, you definitely increase the red chilli paste or green chilli. Now add roughly chopped coriander leaves. Give a mix. Freshly chopped coriander leaves give nice freshness to this dish. If you are using light soy sauce, then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now after 10 minutes, I am checking the momos. They're nicely done. At this time, add half cup of cold water to stop the cooking. Give a light stir. Now take the hot chicken stock and add to the spicy sauce and make the soup for momos. Mix it well. Now put the momos into the soup quite gently. Put some soup over it. Being a momo lover, we don't need any special time or moment to enjoy momo. Mokthuk is served as dinner and sometimes as lunch in Tibetan cuisine. Mokthuk have the perfect amount of heat which keeps you warm in chilly evening. Make this mokthuk and enjoy the classic Tibetan flavor at your home. That's it for today's video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your family and friends. Leave your comment in the comment section. Stay happy and stay safe. Thank you. Bye.